I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've done the basic setup, so start by opening exploding topics and applying niche filters like category, region, and time frame. Next, enter 3-5 seed keywords that match your target market and add closely related terms to broaden discovery. Once those results populate, scan the growth curves for the steepest increases and save the top 5 trends to a project or watch list so you can monitor momentum and return quickly for analysis. Once you have saved trends, dive into analysis by comparing velocity, how long the growth lasted, and baseline interest before the spike. Then make sure to validate. Check Google Trends, social mentions, and keyword search volume to avoid false positives. Next, segment the opportunity by audience. Determine if it's B2B or B2C, identify core demographics, and assess user intent so you can prioritize trends that align with your. Now choose 1 or 2 high-confidence trends and define specific KPIs and a launch timeline so you can move quickly. Then build tests, /B headlines, landing pages, or pilot campaigns, and monitor engagement, conversion, and retention closely. If early metrics lag, pause and revalidate your data sources and assumptions. Check for seasonality or noise. If the trend weakens, pivot to your saved backup trends rather than doubling down on declining signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.